Finger update. It looks pretty gross. Can't seem to get the focus. It's like a big lump of beef jerky. It's gonna fall off. Otherwise, the fingertip is still there. It doesn't seem to be nail damage. And thankfully, I guess then I know a little bit about this kind of shit. Anyway.